Let's give it up for Haiti. Come on, y'all. Y'all can do better than that. Let's give it up for Haiti. You know, Eugenia, there is nothing like the cherry blossom season in Japan. It's honestly like the whole country just transforms into this beautiful pink wonderland.
Oh my gosh, right? I really want to go one day and just like sit under the blossoms, enjoy the view. And it's amazing how Japan as a whole is a country known for, its ancient traditions and modern inventions, with iconic symbols like the bullet train, anime, the bistro sushi.
That's right, that's right. It's really amazing how Japanese culture just blends so seamlessly with nature, We really have to experience it for ourselves one day.
I totally agree. One small problem, currently you're just a broke college student, a $2,000 plane ticket, it's not gonna work, babe.
Oh, so we pocket watching now? I know y'all saw me with the money gun earlier, right? Don't worry about me, bro. I got it.
My fault, big money.
Trust.
Let's welcome the directors of Japan to learn more about the nation. Tetsuru, Christina, and Tokyo.
Konnichiwa. We are Tokyo.
Tetsu.
And Christina. And we are the co-directors of GALA Japan. So, starting off GALA Japan, we'll be having our first song called Ondang, which is a cheering group.
And then we will be pausing to change our scenery to an upbeat J-pop song.
And finally, we will be illuminating the stage with a vibrant and colorful performance from 90s Japan. Thank you to all of our performers who made this possible, and we hope you enjoy the show!
音が止まった色が変わった空白だった記憶の彼方ドラマみたいだ鼓動が鳴った I wonder 見つめてたい透明なガラスのキャンバス彩ったニュアンスから淡い甘い曖昧探してたい素直なままの君のパレードで真実だけ描いてゆくから音が止まった